how to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change a spending limits for Instagram ads. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Instagram and make sure that your profile is set to professional. Now that you're in your professional profile, you need to head over to your settings. So in order to do that, you need to simply tap on three lines located in the top right corner. Now that you're in the settings, you need to scroll down and from here you can see an option that says Creator Tools and Controls. Go ahead and tap on that. From here you can see an option that says Add Payment. Tap on that. Then you need to simply go ahead and tap on Billing and Payments. Now, once you're here, you need to simply go ahead and add payment method over here. And once you have added your payment method, you will be able to change spending limit over here. You can simply go ahead and edit your spending limit. And that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.